Hey love, welcome to Life with Jess. Today I am gonna do an updated makeup routine because it's been like 2 years or 1 year since the Barbie video. I think that video was just so iconic, so I will be updating y'all with my simple makeup routine and I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Y'all are so beautiful. I love y'all. Let's get started. Oh my god, so I got these at Target for $2, like $2 for a pack of 4. They smell incredible. Okay, and I also did my nails, so let me show y'all. So when I say I did my nails, that means that I went to Target and got like a fake pack and I put them on. Like, I'm telling y'all girls that these are like so cute. Like, they look so real. I also got some vitamins and I totally recommend these. Like I said, this is not my real hair. Like, it's not. My first video I told y'all that it was a wig. My real hair is actually blonde, and you can see some pictures on Instagram, so I'll show y'all right here. But it's like a crispy blonde, you know, it's not like a healthy blonde. My hairstylist recommended for me to just wear wigs and like do nothing to it. Like, I haven't done anything to it for like 6 months. I got this on Amazon, so I'll put it right here. Like, I saw the reviews and I did not see a bad one, so I think they're actually really good. Okay, so I'm like literally talking so much. I should probably wear this one. This one has a bow. Moisturizer. I use the Cetaphil. The first thing I do is my eyebrows. I use a Morphe brush. I will put what brushes I use right here. I think these brushes are actually super amazing. I love them so much. I use the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I think this brow freeze just works magic. To fill in my eyebrow, obviously the same brand, Anastasia. I just fill in like the outer part and then just do small strokes. So the next thing I use is my all-time favorite. This is like, I use this for everything. MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. So then after I blend, I usually take my eyeshadow. I'm like so obsessed with the colors. They're so pretty. I use this one first. Then I take Prep Work. So I'll do my eyeliner off camera. So I did my eyeliner. I think this eyeliner is so cute. I do my mascara or lashes last. I usually do mascara for like a typical day. What I do first is my all-time favorite product for the face. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Makes your face so glowy. So next I put on foundation. I mix these two because the NARS is usually a little bit too dark. And then I take the MAC concealer again, put it under my eyes, right here, and right here. Guys, the concealer is so easy to blend, like, kind of shook. Then to contour, I use the Maybelline New York. Then I use my all-time favorite powder, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. I literally go crazy and just like brush everything. Like, this makes your face so smooth. And then lastly, I use blush. I love blush. Blush is like my favorite ever. So, oh my gosh, I'm like dying. Like, this is the best blush ever. But literally, this is all you need. Please. Oh my gosh. This looks so cute. This is the NYX. I use the Kylie. I'm obsessed with Kylie, like, lip gloss products. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I literally love lip gloss. Like, I love lip gloss and I love blush. Okay, the last makeup product that I use is the highlighter, obviously to make me more shiny. That's totally backward. Okay, this is what I kind of hate after you do your makeup, is how like dirty it gets. Like literally all the foundation is just there, like stacked up. But oh my gosh, my makeup came out so cute today. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all love my cute makeup. It's so cute. It's like pink, natural, cute. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also follow me on TikTok. Like, comment any ideas or anything y'all want to see me do. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications to keep supporting me in my dreams. I hope you all have a beautiful day. I will see you on my next video. Bye!